President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Sir. The Vice Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Mga towards the end of the performer tayo, number one. We have edged out medyo marami, tapos they would need extra. Basta trabaho lang. O, intindihan. So isunod ko yung mga maestra.
Thank you. Let's now have table 4. Thank you. Table 8, please.